Alright, welcome back guys. This is Masud of X Trader. It has been a while, but I'm back. I'm back with new content at one. Um, Today we are going to analyze CADCHF. I always say when you trade, you should go to bigger time frames, go to 4 hours, and then go to an hour for early entries. So it's already just woke up, but I promised in the group that I will start doing videos because I said videos were helping. So I'm hoping this YouTube will grow faster, but anything that happens, I'll be grateful. Um, Alright, today we are actually working on support and resistance. As you can see, here we have our support and resistance in 4 hours. We also go to bigger time frames, daily time frame. So you could see this time when we were trading last time, we managed to buy from here to there, but from there it didn't return. So it's been a while. I wasn't trading. It's been a while. So let me just clear everything out and then start everything from scratch. How it trains. Okay. Alright. So this is what our chart looks like. When we are not doing anything, this is what our chart looks like before we actually work on our chart. So this is what our chart looks like. So as I said, we are working on support and resistance. You could see this is like the higher high of this level, which you could also see this part, could say it's a lower low, the lower low. So here is where the market retested a couple of times before it goes up. So we could also go for levels. Maybe I just want to do support and resistance. Maybe I'll mix it with trend lines here and there, but I'll literally explain. I'll put everything into pieces. So you also have this level here. You can see here we have this level, we have this level, we have this level, we have this level, and this is where the market was consolidating. So it has been a minute since we see our CADCHF buying. So by that means this was wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and we're expecting wave 4 until somewhere here. We're expecting our wave 4 until somewhere here. So let's just do this so you can see what I'm talking about. Because remember, the swing always respects the level. If it doesn't, it breaks the level. Remember, when the market breaks the level like this, this is no longer the support for sell. It's now a resistance for sell and support on top for buy. So you could see after the market broke here, it also came here and they started buying again. So now we are waiting to see if the market will complete the circle and then it will shift further up. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how our CADCHF has been behaving. This is how our CADCHF has been behaving. And you can see it from buying from here. Because after this, wait for the market to retest. Always wait for the market to retest, which at this point in time, this candle is still on the support line or support structure. So we can't really say we know what is happening. But we can only say, we can see that this is the correction, and then after the correction is completed, so we can start buying here. After the confirmation, of course, we'll buy until that. So what I can advise you to do is actually be patient. Is to be patient. Is to be patient. So this is what I see. This is what I see. So we could put our stop loss here, and then you could see the market going further up from there. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how our CADCHF look like, and this is how our CADCHF look like. So normalize breaking into charts, and remember, you don't move the market, you wait for the market to move to give you a complete shot, and then we'll start buying here after the confirmation. So now we can go to another chart. Let's check GBP USD or USD GBP now. GBPUSD or USD GBPUSD. So on this guy, it could be a bit tricky. Yeah, could be a bit tricky, but it's still fine. It looks like it's moving according to the predictions. It's moving according to the prediction. So this is how our GBPUSD is looking. This is how our GBPUSD is looking. But I can just clear everything out just to ensure that we work on support and resistance only for the time being. So now you know that we have this level. And we could also use our trend lines. Focus on sometimes some people understand trend lines, some don't. So this is how we look on our trend line. This is how we look on our trend line. This is how we look on our trend line. This is how we look on our trend line. So now the market broke the trend, and what we could expect is we could just expect sorry, we could wait for this, because remember, again, we're experiencing long sell, not long sell from there to here. But again, we should never be too negligent to see such support and resistance. And you know, from there, if you missed this movement entry, you could wait for the market to break this level, and then wait for the retest, then you can sell. Wait for it to work, you can sell, and then you can put your take profit here. Of course, if that's gonna be the time, but you could also experience a long buy. So if that's the case too, you could just go for the buy. So, but all I see now is that the market is willing to sell. The market is willing to sell. Maybe a little bit longer before it actually buys, because you could actually see that this is a long sell. This was a long sell, and this was an extremely long buy. So we have the market here, higher time frame, but we also have it here, whereby you can see it they will come in to try to recover this. So you don't become too negligent to see. So this is one of the possibilities, but we could also have a buy after here. We could have a long buy. I'll just show you what I'm talking about. The market could come and find this support very strong, and then the bulls might be greater than the bears, and then it could actually go way up. It could just go way up, and that's still fine. So once it goes up like this, you can take the buy here and then lock the profit on top. Wait, once it breaks here, it's no longer selling. Once it breaks this level, you should expect this. Actually, what I'm trying to tell you. So you could have this level here, aligning here, whereby it will come from there. Also, you could see this happen. And then after that, you could see it coming here. So this for itself, then you could buy from here, and then it went here. Go further up. So these are the possibilities that you could just find in this pair, and you should never be too ignorant to see it. And yeah, I think for today that's enough. I'll upload others tomorrow. Thank you so much. I would love and highly appreciate your subscription. Share with the people. I'm sort of X trader. Come on.